$3 in one afternoon, and your car's paint will be harder, deeper, and better protected than anything Turtle Wax has ever put in that yellow tin. Not for 2 weeks. Not until the first car wash strips it off. A real bond. Into the clear coat that UV cannot break and rain cannot touch. And here's what Turtle Wax has known since 1944 and never once printed on their label. What they sell you is not protection. It is the appearance of protection. There is a difference that costs you $12 every 2 weeks, a difference that has been making them rich for 80 years. Stay with me, because what I am about to show you is what every professional detailer already knows, and what Turtle Wax has spent 8 decades hoping you never find out. Subscribe right now. This is exactly the kind of video they want buried, and hit the bell so you do not miss what comes next. Here is a question every car owner asks too late. When you buy a tin of Turtle Wax and spend an hour applying it in the driveway, what exactly are you putting on your paint? What is the active ingredient? What is it actually doing to the clear coat at a molecular level? Did anyone in that store ever explain that to you? Of course they did not, because if they had, you would never have bought it, and that is exactly why they never did. First, you need to understand what car paint actually is, because most people think paint is just color, a layer of pigment that needs to be kept shiny and clean. It is not. And the difference between what most people think wax does to their paint and what is actually happening when they apply Turtle Wax, that difference is why their car looks worse every single year, despite waxing it twice a season. Modern automotive paint is a 3-layer system. The primer coat, adhesion layer directly on the metal, the base coat, the color you see, and the clear coat, a transparent polymer layer sitting on top of the base coat that provides the shine, the depth, and the protection for everything underneath it. The clear coat is the layer that wax is supposed to protect. And the clear coat is porous, microscopic channels and surface irregularities that open wider under UV exposure and heat cycling every single summer. Those pores are the key to everything. A wax that fills those pores, that bonds into the clear coat structure and protects the paint from UV radiation, oxidation, and water penetration at the molecular level. The protection is inside the surface, a wax that sits on top of those pores, that coats the surface without bonding into it, looks good for 2 weeks, and washes away with the first heavy rain. The protection is an illusion. Pay attention to what comes next, because this is the part Turtle Wax has never once printed on their label. Not in 1944, not today. Turtle Wax is synthetic polymer, petrochemical derived, a surface coating compound, the same class of chemistry used in floor polish and furniture shine products. It does not bond into clear coat pores. It cannot. It fills surface swirl marks and fine scratches optically, making them temporarily invisible by filling them with a reflective compound, and creates a glossy layer that makes the paint look deep and shiny for approximately 2 to 4 weeks. Then, the UV index of a normal summer day begins breaking down the polymer chains. Rain washes the degraded compound off the surface. Heat from a black hood in July evaporates what is left, and you're back in the driveway with the yellow tin and another Saturday afternoon. That is not a flaw in the Turtle Wax formula. That is the Turtle Wax formula, a product precisely engineered to deliver visible results fast enough for you to feel good about buying it, and fail fast enough for you to need another one before the month is out. 80 years, same chemistry, same cycle, same yellow tin, and they built one of the most recognized brands in automotive care on nothing more than your Saturday afternoons and the short memory of polymer and sunlight. But here is where the story changes completely. Because the wax that actually bonds into clear coat, the compound that fills those microscopic pores and creates a UV barrier that rain cannot wash away and heat cannot melt, did not come from a petrochemical laboratory. It never did. It comes from a palm tree in Brazil, and it costs $3. Stay with me, because what comes next is the part of this story the detailing industry has kept to itself for decades. Carnauba wax, the hardest natural wax on earth. Harvested from the leaves of the Copernicia prunifera palm growing in the Ceará state of northeastern Brazil, the same wax that Brazilian farmers noticed waterproofed the palm leaves so completely that even monsoon rain could not penetrate them. Professional detailers, the people paid to make cars look perfect for concours shows, collector auctions, and high-value sales where paint condition moves the price by thousands of dollars, have used pure Carnauba on automotive paint since before Turtle Wax put their first tin on a shelf. Not occasionally, exclusively. And here is exactly what makes Carnauba chemically different from every synthetic product in the Turtle Wax lineup. Carnauba wax has a melting point of 82 to 86 degrees Celsius. Synthetic polymer wax, the kind in that yellow tin, melts at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. A black car hood sitting in direct summer sun in July reaches surface temperatures of 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. While you think Turtle Wax is protecting your paint in the summer heat, it is liquefying, running off the panel edges in microscopic amounts with every hot afternoon. Gone before autumn. Carnauba holds through that heat without softening, through UV exposure that would degrade synthetic polymer in weeks, through the kind of rain that strips surface coatings in a single car wash. Because its molecular structure, long-chain fatty acids and hydroxyl-rich esters, does not just sit on the clear coat surface, it bonds to it. When Carnauba contacts a clean clear coat surface, those ester molecules form bonds with the hydroxyl groups in the clear coat polymer. It is not a coating sitting above the paint. It becomes part of the outermost layer of the clear coat itself. That is why it does not wash off. That is why it does not melt in July. That is why the same application lasts 3 to 4 months instead of 3 to 4 weeks. And that is why nobody who actually knows paint uses anything else when the result genuinely matters. But Carnauba straight from the block is too dense to apply by hand evenly. And this is the step that no competitor video covers, because professional detailers never apply raw Carnauba directly to a panel. They emulsify it. And what they use to emulsify it, the carrier that opens the wax up and allows it to spread evenly and penetrate the clear coat surface uniformly, is something so simple it should make you genuinely angry: warm water. A ratio of 1 part Carnauba wax melted into 4 parts. Warm water creates a stable emulsion, a milky liquid wax that spreads evenly across the entire panel in a single pass, fills every pore at the same depth, and cures to a harder finish than anything in the Turtle Wax product line. The water acts as a carrier, delivering the Carnauba molecules to the clear coat surface and into the open pores. Then the water evaporates. What remains is pure Carnauba, bonded inside the pores, flush with the surface, sealed, not on top of the paint, inside it. $3 of Carnauba wax and warm water from your tap. That is the detailer's formula. They charge you $200 to apply. The chemistry does not charge a shop rate. It just works. Before you apply anything, 4 mistakes that will ruin the result before it starts. Mistake 1. Applying over a contaminated surface. This is the most common mistake and the most damaging one. Old turtle wax residue, road film, industrial fallout, and silicone from previous wax products are bonded to your clear coat right now. You cannot see most of it, but it is there. Carnauba emulsion applied over surface contamination does not bond to the clear coat. It bonds to the contamination layer, and the first rainstorm lifts the contamination and everything you just applied right off the panel. Wash the car completely before anything else. 2-bucket wash method. If you have been using turtle wax or any synthetic polymer product for years, clay bar the entire surface before applying Carnauba. Clay bar removes bonded contamination that washing alone cannot touch. Clean, bare clear coat only. This step takes 30 minutes and determines whether everything after it works or does not. Mistake 2. Applying in direct sunlight or on a hot panel. Carnauba emulsion applied to a panel surface above 25 degrees Celsius evaporates too fast. The water carrier evaporates before it can deliver the Carnauba molecules into the pores. You get a surface application, not a bonded one. Weak protection that behaves exactly like the synthetic polymer you're trying to replace. Apply in shade, panel temperature cool to the touch, early morning or late evening. Never midday sun. Never on a panel you have just washed with warm water. Let it cool completely first. Mistake 3. Applying too thick a coat. More Carnauba does not mean more protection. A heavy application leaves excess wax on the surface that never bonds. It sits on top, turns white as it dries, and buffs off as residue that leaves a hazy, uneven finish. One thin, even pass across each panel. The bonding happens in the pores, not in the thickness of what is sitting on top. Mistake 4. Buffing before the haze forms. This is the mistake that turns good Carnauba into wasted Carnauba. After application, the emulsion needs 2 to 4 minutes for the water to evaporate and the Carnauba to begin its bonding reaction with the clear coat. You will see a slight dull haze develop across the panel as this happens. That haze is the visual signal that the bonding is occurring. Buff before you see that haze and you remove the Carnauba before it has bonded. You're paying for protection and wiping it off before it forms? Wait for the haze, every panel, every time, no exceptions. This is the step that determines everything. You need Carnauba wax pellets, warm water, a microwave safe bowl, 2 clean microfiber applicator pads, and 2 clean dry buffing cloths. Total cost, $3. That is the complete list. Step 1. Wash the car completely, every panel, every edge, every shut line. 2-bucket method. If the car has existing polymer wax buildup, clay bar after washing before proceeding. Dry with a clean microfiber. Cool completely in shade before touching any Carnauba to the surface. Step 2. Melt 1 tablespoon of Carnauba wax pellets into half a cup of warm water. Microwave 30 seconds. Stir. Microwave another 30 seconds. Stir again. Repeat until the wax is fully dissolved and the mixture is uniform. It will look slightly milky and cloudy. That is correct. That is the emulsion, your delivery system. Step 3. Apply emulsion to one panel at a time. Pour a small amount onto your applicator pad. not the panel directly. Wipe in thin, even, overlapping straight strokes across the entire panel. One complete pass, not two. Thin and even. Step 4. Wait for the haze, 2 to 4 minutes. Watch the panel develop a slight dull film, the milky haze of water evaporating and Carnauba bonding. Do not rush this. Do not touch it. Let the chemistry complete its work. Step 5. Buff with a clean, dry microfiber using light circular motions. The haze clears immediately as you buff, revealing the finish beneath. What you're seeing is not a coating on top of your paint. It is your clear coat. Sealed, bonded, protected from the inside. The depth you see is real depth. Light entering the clear coat and reflecting back through a surface that has been chemically integrated with the wax. Not a polymer film sitting above it. Work panel by panel around the entire car. Apply, wait, buff. 1 session. 1 afternoon. $3. What you have just done is something Turtle Wax has never once done for your paint in 80 years of selling you polymer. You have bonded the hardest natural wax on earth into the pores of your clear coat. Not on top of it. Inside it. That finish will last 3 to 4 months through rain, car washes, UV exposure, and summer heat. Not 2 to 4 weeks. 3 months. On $3 in 1 afternoon. Now I want to show you one more thing. Something the detailing industry never says out loud. When a collector car, a concours entry, a numbers matching restoration, a vehicle where condition determines value, goes to a professional detailer before a major show or auction, the detailer does not reach for a tin of Turtle Wax. Not one of them. They use Carnauba, some in premium branded tins that cost $40 to $80, marketed as professional grade, exclusive, proprietary. Most of those $40 tins are Carnauba wax, beeswax, and water. The same 3 ingredients, a different label, a different price, the same chemistry you just applied for $3. Because when the result genuinely matters, when thousands of dollars depend on the paint looking perfect and staying perfect, nobody uses synthetic polymer. Nobody has ever used synthetic polymer for that job, and they never told you. Because you were not at the auction. You were in the driveway with the yellow tin. Turtle Wax launched in 1944, 80 years of the same yellow tin. 80 years of the same synthetic polymer formula. 80 years of a finish that lasts exactly long enough for you to be satisfied, and fails exactly fast enough for you to need another tin. That timing was never accidental. That was the product design. And every Saturday afternoon you gave them, every hour in the driveway with that applicator pad, was time spent on a product that was never built to last. $3. 1 application, 3 months. That is what 80 years of Saturdays should have looked like. 80 years of the same yellow tin, 80 years of the same formula, 80 years of the same result. A finish that lasts just long enough to sell you another one. It was never about your paint. It was always about their shelf.